Bison are the only animals on Earth that turn toward a snowstorm rather than run from it. They instinctively understand that charging into the storm will eventually lead them out more quickly. While it may be challenging to navigate through the snow, they recognize that enduring this temporary discomfort is the most efficient path to finding shelter and safety. There's a great lesson to be learned from the bison. We often tend to procrastinate and fear big upcoming tasks or challenges that come our way. But repressed feelings and problems often grow bigger in the end. Facing storms may be challenging, but ultimately, it's the quickest way to overcome them. So be like the bison and charge head on into your snowstorms.